Hello friends, we will see total quality management in brief in this video. Myself Dr. S.S. Sada, lecturer in mechanical engineering at Government Polytechnic Jalna. I have done PhD, ME, DBM and then MMS and memberships of number of professional bodies. Let us see what is meant by TQM. TQM, it is total quality management. As the name indicates, it is applicable for all the products and all the departments. These are the contents of my presentation. Definition, then integrated model, human choice, myths about quality, productivity and cost, and facts about them, and conclusion. TQM, it is an integrated organizational approach in delighting customers. Delighting is beyond satisfaction. You have to satisfy external as well as internal customers. External customers, that is final customer, which is not visible, and internal customers, these are the customers within the department. By meeting expectations of the customers on a continuous basis, it works or it is applicable to everyone in the organization. It is concerned with continuous improvement in all products, services and processes. That is important. Along with the product, services and processes are also covered. It focuses on proper problem solving methodology. This is the integrated TQM model. Here we are talking about world class company. As we are talking about Six Sigma companies, we talk about world class companies. These are the elements of the TQM: people, then problem solving tools, appropriate technology and continuous improvement. Total employee involvement, that is the key factor. Then total quality control and waste elimination or MUDA, that is the important factor in TQM. Next is human spirit of innovations causes this chaos. Now what is this? It is concern for ecology, then emergence of new economic powers, political realignment, knowledge oriented society, concern for human rights, information age, impact of telecom and global market. All these are elements associated with TQM. Now in TQM, there is very common perception. It is uneconomical to make quality improvement because it brings down productivity and increases cost and investment. Now what is difference between production and costivity? Productivity. Productivity is rate of production with respect to time. So productivity is more important as compared to production to the manufacturers. Now it is myth or it is assumed that if you want to improve the quality, it will reduce the productivity or increases the cost and investment. So here it is written by the equation: as quality goes up, productivity brings down and cost is increased. Now what is the fact? We will see in the next slide. Now in reality what happens? It is possible to improve quality continuously without reducing productivity and increasing cost. According to Edward Deming, the famous economist and quality guru, he says productivity goes up and cost comes down as quality goes up. Here it is shown by the equation: quality is going up but productivity also increases and cost goes down. So it is possible to give economical products with good quality, easily available. That is, productivity is more means you can make the products available easier wherever these are required. Then this is quality target should be 100% and not even 99.9%, because now many times people are satisfied with 1% rejection. Now these days have been gone when the manufacturers were proudly saying that 1% rejection is the only rejection in his factory, and he is very happy with the quality of the products. Why this is so? Because even 99.9% means only 0.1% rejection, that is also not tolerable nowadays, because for India 99.9% means 1,60,000 wrong drug prescription per year. More than 1,20,000 newborn babies accidentally dropped by doctors every year. Unsafe drinking water for almost 1 hour each month, and 2 to 3 rail accidents per day. So it is clear that those who want to take the prescriptions or those who want to go under surgery, there also you require 100% accuracy. Even a single wrong drug prescription is there and unfortunately you got it, then it might result in, it might affect your health seriously. If a baby is dropped or you are traveling in a plane which is prone to accident, then 0.1% also plays important role or big figure in such case. Hence, one must strive to achieve 100% accuracy. TQM is the milestone or the tool to achieve this quality. Hence, we should be passionate towards achieving the goals of improving quality by reducing cost and increasing productivity. Thank you for patiently listening and watching this video. Thank you once again. Be safe at home.